Hey everybody, it's Sharon from Kaitan's Kitchen. Cooking green vegetables can be very boring and unpalatable at times. However, there are recipes that bring out great flavors using green vegetables. I'm going to show you how I incorporate green vegetables for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Watch until the end as I'm going to have my meat lover husband taste each dish and give it a seal of approval, only if he truly likes it. Plus, I'll give you a few tips as well. And as always, the full recipe is written in the description below. To start, I'm using a dedicated meat blender to grind the pork and make ground Italian pork. Run the kale leaves through the loop on the end of a pair of tongs. Chop the Brussels sprouts, then peel and chop the butternut squash. This will bring out a sweet and nutty flavor in the frittata. In a cast iron pan, add olive oil and cook the Italian ground pork. I'm setting a portion of the Italian ground pork aside to make lunch later. Highly aromatic, the mixture of the herbs brushing against the green kale leaves makes this frittata so delicious. This is our family's favorite dish for Easter breakfast, or we usually make it on a Sunday and eat it all week. I have the breakfast frittata with kale and Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to have my meat lover husband come and give it a taste test.
Let's check it out.
Good? So tip number one, pair your veggies with a juicy or citrusy protein. You're gonna eat it all. Stay tuned for part 2 of cooking green vegetables, where I'm making lunch and dinner. Plus, will my meat lover husband like the dish?